Today's recipe is new and exclusive on YouTube. Hello my friends, have a good time. I am back with a new video and a new recipe. Our recipe today is everyone loves it. The nougat recipe is a wonderful recipe. It is very easy to make. I hope you enjoy this video. The first thing we have to do is put 200 grams of honey and put 100 grams of sugar with them and put them on the stove. And we move them. This, of course, is necessary over low heat so that the sugar dissolves slowly so that it does not burn with us. So the sugar melts with us. Now the sugar is ready and it is starting to boil with the honey. I need to cook it for about 15 minutes until it becomes a little firm. And it takes on its color, complete maturity. When the honey and sugar boil on the fire, let us prepare the white of one egg so that we can add it to the dish with the recipe that we are cooking. Now here we have to use the hand mixer until it rises and takes on its consistency and becomes white in color. See how it happened with... The recipe is easy and not difficult. This is the recipe. When I was in Turkey, a friend of mine taught me this recipe. Here we put nuts. Here I chose pistachio and almonds. I found their color to be suitable, very nice with the mixture. There it is, now our recipe is ready and now it's okay to finish our position so we can place the first ingredient. This is the egg white. And we must add it gradually, little by little like this, until it becomes until it takes the same consistency and remains a very regular texture. The recipe is easy, meaning in minutes it will be cooked. I mean, there is no difficulty here. We move quietly. This is how we put this amount of egg whites. We move it slowly. So we move it like this a little quickly, but until it mixes together. Now I go back and cook it for about 10 minutes. And we continue to move it like this so that it does not burn with us. It's easy, now it's time to eat the nuts. I put nuts in it and I have to mix them together again until they merge together and become one cohesive whole. And because their kidneys appear in the same way, I have many people at home who love it. And even when I brought in my guests from among us and the neighbors, many of them were surprised. They think I bought it from a store, meaning Heretti. No, on the contrary, it was very easy and the recipe was good. I watched the video, follow the ingredients we put in, and am 100% sure it works for him. Here I put it in a 20 cm mold so that we can put it in it and let it grow at one level. Then after we leave it alone, the inanimate object takes over and takes its strength, slowly and quietly. Of course I put it under the mold, so it doesn't stick. Nylon, forget it. There are those who use parchment paper, but I do not recommend it. We are here. Place it in the refrigerator for about an hour and freeze. Here it is frozen and ready. Let's try. Let's take the mold out of it quietly. Of course it is solid. Well, of course, the recipe didn't take me much time. It's very easy. It's Christmas and birthdays all over the world. It has to be worth something. You can cut it into any shape you want. It doesn't have to be square. Is there anyone who can cut it in the shape of a triangle or any shape he chooses? I chose the square shape here. I found it very sweet. It looks very good. Look at pistachios and nuts and almonds. I cut them like this. There are also those who put it and keep it. 3 months, nothing happens. Look at the color, how nice it is. Look at how it is. Someone move it. I didn't break it or anything. It's like someone is eating a sample of gum or something. Here I pull it like this and pull it. Look at rubber, it's all threads. The recipe was very good and successful. I hope you will write a script and subscribe to the channel and tell me which country you are following me from. Welcome and see you.